Hi everyone, so today we have Grundig 2670. It's from 1990s and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the cassette player, radio, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Let's try forward. Now backwards. Now reverse mode. Works just fine. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All lights are okay, just camera don't focus all this side, but it looks okay. Now, in order to activate the Bluetooth, as usual, we have to go to middle wave mode. So now the radio is on FM mode, just simply press M button. And now the Bluetooth is activated. Go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, wait a couple of seconds, and here it is. Few more seconds. That's it. Bluetooth now is activated. We can go to our YouTube and play any music you want. Cool, right? It's very simple to use. And when you want to back to your regular radio or cassette player, simply press button U, this is FM mode, and you're back to normal radio. Okay? It's very simple to use. Thumbs up, guys.